Today, we're diving into a game that's not just about speed, but also about learning how beavers are nature's superheroes. Beavers are incredible creatures that keep our rivers clean and clear. They're like nature's engineers, and we're about to play a game inspired by their hard work. We call it Clear the River, and it's an excellent math game that's all about play and learning. First, choose a goal number between 50 and 100, depending on the age and skill level of the players. For younger kids, you can start with 20. Grab a single dice and a piece of paper for each player. The game begins with one player rolling the dice and yelling, "Let's clear the river!" The goal is to roll a 6, just like beavers working on their dam. If you don't roll a 6, pass the dice quickly to the next player. If you do roll a 6, it's your turn to shine. Grab the pencil and start writing numbers in order like 1, 2, 3. The game ends when one player reaches the goal number and shouts, "Clear the river!"